Good morning. You missed Grandma's Christmas. Yeah, whose is that? That's someone else's gift.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Blitzen, all his reindeers pulling on the rein. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright.
We got the breakfast buffet setting up. This is some want fried eggs, some want scrambled. So I'm about to get this started. I got
I whip it.
I got the ash brown and biscuit going. It was at this moment that Janice realized the biscuits were burning.
Huh?
Why so extra, Rob? I offered him sugar in this container,
I don't like
and he doesn't want sugar.
I don't want stevia.
It's the buffet is not even ready yet.
So what, can't get your coffee because the buffet's not ready?
It's not ready yet. We're still missing the main course. We have our, what are these called?
Oh man.
I don't know. But you can choose.
I forgot the name of that thing.
Yes. And then you have your fruit over here. And then you have cereal. For those that want cereal, Jackson wants sunny side up egg. So that's what that Jackson, me, and Jordan want sunny side. So that's what that is. And then I have some more stuff. So for brunch, I had eggs, I had ash brown, I had bananas and apples, oatmeal, cereal bar, juice. I had the coffee bar set up where they could have tea, coffee, hot chocolate, just a lot of good stuff, and it felt really good to host Christmas in our home this year. And I did burn the biscuits, but they were really good. Alright guys, first we're gonna do our secret stocking. So Jackson, please go and get your stocking and give it to the person that wait. Where's the stuff that goes to it?
Is that the right stocking?
Where's the everything is in there? Alright, get up.
Todos nosotros teníamos una persona que ellos no sabían quién era.
Maddie.
Y tenían que comprar las cosas para
Alright, get your stocking and give it to the person that you had. Yeah, get up and give it to the person you have. So Jackson had Jordan. I hope you like it. Destiny, get your stocking and give it to whoever you had.
You do this and you just let it go. Ready? Don't give us.
Oh! We all knew you had Maddie. We knew you had Maddie. Sit down, mommy. You can open it.
Here. Have a look at the last.
Okay, Jordan. Get your stocking and give it to who you had. I think I know who Jordan had.
Yeah.
Jordan had Destiny. Jason, get your stocking and give it
You know
to
this is Daddy's, right?
whoever you had.
This is Daddy's stocking.
I know, but remember we changed it. What is that, Maddie?
What is that?
Oh.
We changed it? What do you mean we changed it?
Where's the stocking that you have?
This is Jordan. This is Daddy's.
Okay.
Here, I got it. So who got me actually?
Wait.
Here it is.
Whose stuff is that?
This is Daddy's.
Oh, I knew it. I knew he had you.
You had me?
Yeah, come find any toys for him. He's too old for toys.
He said he's too old for toys.
Whoppers.
And sorry.
Maddie, let's get your stocking.
So I got you like 3. Look, Maddie, look.
Maddie, come on. Maddie. Maddie. Madison, get your stocking.
No, you
And give it to Jason. Maddie had Jason. Yes, thank you. Good job, Maddie.
Look, mommy. Look, mine. We got presents.
Here you go, buddy. I hope you like it. So mommy had Jaxson.
And then who did daddy get?
Daddy, who did you get?
Where's the stuff in his gun? That's your mom.
I think I know.
Of course we knew it. We knew it. Everybody knew it. Everybody knew it. Who gets spatula? Who gets spatula?
Maybe Jason.
There's mi bota, pero no. Yeah, you got
Really?
spatula.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? A spatula?
You can cook more eggs.
I saw it. When I saw it, I was like,
I think the trampoline should be built because all the sugar that's gonna be running through.
You send them outside to play on the trampoline.
I love these.
You think it's hard to build?
I wanted to buy one.
Make sure, Juju, go over there. Too much chocolate going on around here for you to be standing there. Juju, come on, over here.
What did you get? Yes.
Yeah.
Clothes.
Say thank you.
There's some safer things before they get tossed. That's not mine.
A pet.
Yeah, but that is.
Ooh, it's a pants.
It shows you.
Do you like?
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Next.
Te habla, te dice algo, no sé.
Next.
El pantalón. Oh, yeah. And the top?
It's pretty.
Oh, meow, meow.
Who's going next, mommy? Me.
Wait,
Meow.
that is pretty.
Is that a shirt? Oh, I thought it was like pants.
Oh, how you do it? Like this. Like this. You hold it like this. Oh, you want the whole outfit to be held up?
Like that? There you go.
Okay, she's
She's gonna want to put it on.
Mona Lisa!
Yeah, we're not putting it out.
Yeah.
Wow.
You got it.
Hey,
Give me the pen.
Mona Lisa!
What do you say?
Okay, thank you. No?
Yeah. Okay.
He's looking at their hand.
The next one.
This is okay, Maddie.
Let's see. Wait, oh my god.
Okay, this is from grandparents.
Seriously, no?
Here, because you missed last night. Come on.
Oh, because Maddie was asleep last
Yes,
night.
so she gets to open.
Yeah, give me this one, Maddie. Give it to me. There you
Look
go.
at her.
Smash
Open it, okay?
Smash it. Rip it. There we go. Rip it. Let her smash it. Smash it. Whoa. Good job. Needs a hair. Oh gosh.
What is it, Maddie?
I have a question. What is that thing? Is it a butt? It's a butt.
Ready?
Oh, she's like, I want to get it
You want to
out.
open it?
Okay, I'll get it out. Here. We have to get the scissors. Anybody got scissors on their hand? Nope.
Not on me.
Maddie, you got another one from Auntie Wendy.
Here, man.
These, oh! I think she realized that this is a thing now.
Leave her, let her open it.
What is it? I don't know if you ripped it.
I can't see you, Maddie.
Turn around, mommy. Turn her around. Turn around, mommy. Ooh, I like that. That's pretty.
It's a sunny thing.
That is really pretty.
Wendy told me this.
Which y'all was nosy because she didn't get to open hers.
No, I got it right.
There you go, man.
Now she wants me to open
This is the age that I love. I love
Yeah.
this age because they get excited. They get excited. for anything, and they're very appreciative.
You want me to open it? Do you want me to open it for her?
Yeah, you can open it. No, 2 gifts under the tree with no names, yeah.
This one?
Does it have a name? Did you wrap his gift in your car? Does it have any names? Daddy?
There we go. We got one dolly out, kinda.
No, what it says 2. What does it say?
2
No. Spell it out, Jason.
FAMM.
FAM. What is that short for? Fam?
Family.
Family. So you guys can open that. From that mom and daddy.
There's another one over here.
Yes.
Family. Mom and dad. It's so slow. It's a game.
It's a game.
I love it.
That way you guys get to play.
It's like a rabbit game.
What is it?
The Velveteen Rabbit game. And it's a game that brings the classic story to life.
Okay. That gift right there in Jackson's hand, give it to let me see it.
Wash the hair?
This is Maddie. You have to read the tag. That one right there. Open it.
Can she open it?
No.
Don't open it. Don't open it. Don't open it.
What is that game?
What is it? This game is bonkers.
Okay. So you guys have 2 new games.
Okay.
So put them to the side.
We're gonna put
Put it to the side.
pass it.
Alright, start looking for your name under the tree
I already know what mine is.
and go to town.
Right there.
Jordan, yours have no name on it. So if you find a gift from mommy and daddy with no name, it's yours.
Can I open this one? Can I open this one? Mommy, can I open this, mommy? Maddie. Mommy, can I open
Yeah. Come on this side, I can't see you.
Maddie's. It's shoes.
It's shoes, yeah.
I like these black shoes. They look so pretty.
Try them on, let me see if they fit.
Leave my stuff alone. Look how fun
Hello. Merry Christmas.
It fits perfectly.
If I have sugar?
Mommy, it fits perfectly.
Okay, yeah, I have sugar.
I wonder what that trap. I thought it was a trap. And these are so pretty.
Oh, wow.
Found 2 names out of no names.
Oh, you got black cake? Shut it. When you come in? Jordan. Yeah. Okay.
It's bracelets.
You can come whenever.
This looks like a cleaning creator. Oh, of course.
Okay.
Oh, I have
Alright, bye.
that. I remember I had one.
Everything's done.
Look. And
They're coming.
You know how
She said she just got to get dressed.
this came with batteries? This one came with batteries.
It came with battery? Yeah.
Daddy, this came with batteries. These are so
You like Auntie Wendy gift?
These are perfect, Mommy.
They're perfect?
Yeah.
They're too tight?
No, there's shoelaces in them.
Oh, okay.
That's all. I was wondering. This didn't go anywhere.
You boys only had 2 gifts this year.
Because you're poor.
Because this house is your gift. Oh, that is pretty. Oh my word. You just look Ashley.
I feel like there's something in there. Yeah, there's something in there. Yeah, I got the card. I got 2. Now. That's easy to get out. I gotta get smushy. Here, you got this is yours.
This is yours. Ooh.
This is blanket.
It's a blanket. Your very own blanket for down here.
This is so. Oh, this is gonna be my Lego man. My Lego man. This is She's gonna be a chef when she grows up. Ding, 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 ding.
Are these headphones?
Is this? It's leggings. Or is it a shirt? Or is it, this one's pants? I don't know. But it looks so cute. I like this one. I like this one. It has unicorn stuff on it.
Yeah.
That's good. Why you got your stuff on my side? Yeah, they got a truck. Why is it so big? I got to print out.
Can I go with these?
What is it? Oh, it's a purse. This is a purse. I didn't know what it is. I thought it was like a Santa outfit or something.
Yes, that's yours.
Jaxson, that's ready? Yes. My side.
Maddie's going at it, babe. She's like one after another.
Is this slime? This is better. This is slime.
Yes, it's slime.
Is it just slime or you have to make it?
You have to make it.
I'll make it the whole thing.
Hey, here you go.
Gooey, crunchy slime.
Don't move your toys in front of the fireplace. This is the
This feels like a sock. Oh, it's more leggings and it has stars on it.
You see the bread in these? Put it here.
The toaster.
The first here. Now turn here.
And now the bed. That's nothing happening. Mommy, can I open the drawer?
Yeah, she may open. Is it yours? It says Jaxson. Yeah?
I have 500 pieces of coloring. Jigsaw puzzle. Oh, you get to color the jigsaw puzzle right there. And then I have Maddie. Here you go.
What's that?
Maddie.
Nice.
Ooh.
I'm going to finish. Mine. Okay. What is it?
Venga, dale, Roberto.
This is the last one of mine. Oh, this is mine? Oh, I didn't see that. There's a box inside here.
Porque tiene un agujerito ahí, pero es muy...
Oh, what you got there?
Hey, shorts. I get shorts.
What's that one, Jack?
XL.
Huh?
What is it?
No.
Oh my gosh! He had a painting of that? That's the longest of all.
What
Jack's
is it?
gonna have fun in his room. And mommy, there's some new things. Do they go to the boys?
Y eso debe ser de la misma muñeca.
Jack, here's your bear.
Se va calzado.
Bebé, gotta take care of him. Teddy bear. That's cool. I did.
No,
That's Jack's?
Here, Maddie. Oh, you got a piece set. Do these go to Jason Jordan? Mommy, do these go to Jason Jordan?
I don't know.
para hacer varias
These go to Jason Jordan?
This one's para, yeah, coloring.
Yeah, one for Jason, one for Jordan.
Baby, you open in your room.
Open it in your room.
Yeah, don't open that down here.
Because you lose the pen.
Everything, yep.
It's better you open it.
Open all your stuff in your rooms. After we clean up this mess.
Maddie, you still got more to go. See? You still got more. Oh, she will love that.
You still have
She
more?
sneaked in the closet and played with that.
Oh, yeah, she's sneaking in there and take it out.
Oh, I love the car.
Oh, okay.
What is it, Sissy?
Yeah, you have to put all in
Where's
your
the
room.
Sissy Jason?
And then you can play over there. Don't lose nothing. Yeah.
Why is it?
She's so slow.
She is, but she's very detail oriented.
Okay, they started working.
She doesn't like the trash everywhere.
No, she didn't. Just
Piano.
Whew. Yeah, that's the one you kept taking out. It's like, I've seen this before.
I can't take it. Maddie still got more.
You still have more, Mommy.
I think she has the most of all. Yeah, I feel like you.
Right here, baby.
I want to see. That one hurts.
Yeah, she's 2. It's so cheap to shop for her. Maddie's gift costs no more than $20.
She don't know.
$5 here, $4 here. You guys are more expensive.
The important thing is the price. It's the action.
It's the actual price. Didn't you see the price on your blanket?
No importa el precio, lo importante es la acción, el regalo, que el niño va a ser feliz. No importa si sale $1 o sale 15.
Sí, no importa.
Ya, lo importante es la carita de...
I think the joke kind of went over everyone's head. They didn't really get what I was trying to say, and it turned into a discussion, but I wasn't complaining about what it cost or anything like that. I was just saying that it was cheaper to shop for Maddie instead of the older kids.
Cuando reciben un regalo no importa el precio.
Why did they secure these dolls so good?
Si de repente le regalas algo muy caro, van a apreciar más.
Es que sale $1.
Sí,
Sí.
sí.
Oh, this is her big gift. This is her big gift.
Jason, what did you do?
Oh no, he's just. No, he's just sniffing something.
You like it, Mommy?
This is you got dollies.
Mamá que no lo toca.
Is it good? You can read now.
Las actividades. Palabras.
Si están en el canal de
Come here, disappointment.
Happy holidays sign and spoon rack.
You know his dad bought that gift? He bought that gift and he over here acting like,
Rapids.
is that the one you wanted? Yeah. Rob, you know how long I told you to wrap that gift? You kept on procrastinating.
What, and build it?
No, just put it outside.
What, put some fire on it and stuff?
Yeah. No.
Anchors?
Yeah, I think so. You should. Those shoes look so pretty. I can't wait to use them. Hey boy, candy is off.
I have picked up the camera all day, but hey, better late than never, right? I'm making mac and cheese and I'm getting ready to do curry chicken. We eat in about an hour, and I still have to do the chicken. The turkey's done. Let's give you guys a sneak peek. That's the bird! Oh, so good.
In-store and online now.
Are we gonna serve it like that or sliced?
No, let's slice it and then put it on the plate.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, do that. You go get copyrighted. Let me see.
I'm a marketer by profession, and for years and years, it was always
Daddy, what
frustrating
about
how someone would post a picture of a cat and a dog and get 3 million likes, and somebody would post a picture of a child
From the
going through
beginning.
treatment and might get 3 likes. And at first, it frustrated me because I was in that world, and you want more awareness. And, when you start learning that, and I thought, what if we did a Cancer Dad's calendar?
The philanthropic Cancer Dad's calendar was born.
It was really really nice to have my whole entire family. My brother was there, my mom was there, my sister was there, my husband's parents and his sister, and you know, our children, and it was just overall a really good Christmas, and I really enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting our family throughout this holiday season. I hope every one of you had an amazing Christmas. Bye guys. Love you guys.
It's the